The Pfaff Quilt Expression 720 is the upgrade that you've been waiting for to breeze through your toughest projects. I'm Calvin with Montavilla Sewing Centers, and we have a very special closeout going on for the special edition version of this machine while supplies last. Let's dive into this machine and see what makes it stand out among the rest. First off, Pfaff's integrated dual feed system pulls fabric evenly from above and below. No separate walking foot needed, simply engage or disengage it. This eliminates the shifting and puckering of layers so you can sew thick quilts or delicate silks faster and with zero frustration. It also has an automatic presser foot that automatically raises and lowers without any lever, keeping your hands free and your momentum going. It lifts for effortless corner pivots so you can swing tight curves smoothly, and when you're set, simply press the foot control and it drops in place before stitching, ensuring that you never miss a beat. It also comes with Pfaff's Maxi Stitches built in. You can elevate your decorative sewing with stitches up to 36 millimeters wide that harness the feed dog side motion for show-stopping designs, exclusive to Pfaff. These bold stitches let you create eye-catching accents with ease that will make all of your projects stand out over everyone else's. You can even design your own custom stitches from scratch on the screen with the Stitch Creator. You can edit them live, save unlimited patterns and designs on your machine. You can personalize every single project to reflect your perfect style. It's truly unlimited creativity that you get with this machine. With its strong frame, solid build quality, and professional grade quilting precision, the special edition Pfaff Expression Quilt 720 empowers you to tackle every sewing project with both confidence and creativity. We have a closeout special going on right now while supplies last. We also have a bundle that has very high value that we're offering with it that only lasts till the end of the month. So act quick before the bundle goes away. Click the link below to get yours